Hi, I'm Bob from All New. Today I'm going to show you how to use the All New Step 1 Clean. We're going to work on a cast aluminum patio table, and it has a lot of features and details and holes. So to catch any potential drips, we put down a drop cloth. So now that we have our workspace ready, we're ready to start work. The goal, what we're looking for in wetting the towel, is we want to just pour, use it pretty liberally. You can see I spilled a little bit, and that's why I have the paint tray out. But I'm going to get the product on, and then I'm going to squeeze together so that I have a nice uniform wet surface. And now we're ready to clean. With enough liquid, all we need to do is just wipe it on. And immediately you're going to see the color pop and come back. So all we do is we just work back and forth. We've got lots of liquid on the towel. When you get into these features, you can press, make sure that you're getting the liquid down in there. And I can see here that maybe I'm getting a little bit less liquid than I want, so I'm going to turn, rag, make sure that I've got enough product. Okay, now that we've used the yellow microfiber towel to clean the table, the next step is we're going to use the Walnut Pad that's included in your kit. What I'm going to want you to do is we're going to use some liquid in a paint tray, and we're going to take the Walnut Pad and we're just going to dip it. So the product itself will run through, and I want you to just squeeze it a little bit. And now we have it prepared. This is a special pad, very light abrasive. This isn't going to scratch your paint, but we don't want you to bear down. We just want you to lightly rub the surface. And you may not even see that we're doing anything here, but we are getting a deeper level of clean as we go across the metal. Now we've used the yellow microfiber towel to do the cleaning, then we use the Walnut Pad. Another inclusion that's in your kit is the blue microfiber sponge. We're just going to take our step 1, pour. We don't want it to be too saturated, so I am going to squeeze, and you'll see a little bit here in your tray. And in case I want to use the other side, I just like to squeeze it both ways. Now I'm ready to use the sponge to get into all the contours and the details of the table. So I am going to go back over areas that we've already cleaned, just making sure that we did a full, complete job. Now we're getting ready to use the step 2 product, but before we do that, we want the table to be dry. Normally we recommend a couple hours to let the air dry it, but in the event that you want to move through it a little bit quicker, you're maybe under a time crunch, we do include 2 yellow towels in your kit. So one you've already used for cleaning, the other one is dry. And all we need to do, we're just going to buff it like you would kind of waxing your car. And you're ready to go. Thank you for watching. For more tips and techniques on all the all new products and applications, visit us online.